Okay, now answering question number 3. So before we can answer question number 3, even question number 4, it is necessary that we make a revision, or we do a revision on exponential law. So to revise exponential law, I've prepared this summary. Exponential law number 1 says that if we have a raised to m times a raised n equal, that will give us a raised m plus n. Exponential law number 2 says that if we divide a raised m by a raised n, which can also be written in this form, that gives us a m minus n. Exponential law number 3 says that if we have a raised m this to the power n, that will give us a raised m multiplied by n. Law number 4 states that if we have a multiplied by b, all of these to the power m, that is equal to a to the power m multiplied by b to the power m. Also, from the exponential law, we know that any number to the power 0 or a to the power 0 will give us 1, and a number to the power negative of a negative number, that will give us an inverse of that number, that will be 1 to the power 1 over a to the power m. So a to the power of a fraction, that will give us a third, or a to the power a raised p divided by q, that will give us a root of q, and a to the power p. Also important are the laws of sets. The law of sets. Now the first law of set is that if we have two sets, if we multiply two sets but with different bases, we add one, we multiply the bases and we write one set. The second law of set is that if we have any set to the power, any set that is of the root n, that gives us or if we divide any set of the root n over by n or by any other set to the root n, that will give us a to the power n divided by b to the set n. Law 3 states that if we have two sets, we can multiply those two sets and then we write one base. Law 4 says that if we have a root to the power m, or a root of m of a to the power n, is the same thing that we have a root of m to the power n. Also, simplifying question number 3, there are these hacks which are helpful, simplifying them quickly, even orderly. So these are the hacks. First, you have to write terms in common or like or same multiple base vector. 2, simplify complex term by separating the combined terms. 3 would be find the common factor. This will allow you to divide or to cancel like terms. And 4 is, this one is, it's optional. You can algebraically assign a letter to a complex or complicated term or number to simplify it.